Today we're looking at root words, and this Google Classroom has to do with prefixes and root words. Prefix is a couple of letters that comes before the root word that changes the meaning. Our prefix today is the prefix of re, which means again. So as I look at my first word here, the word is remake. That means to make again. So we're going to take off the re part and then just write the root word that's left. If I take off the letters re, which is our prefix, then I'm left with the word make. So I'm going to type the word make in this box. M-A-K-E. Make. Let's do one more together. This word is the word refresh. That means to get fresh again. So if I take off my prefix of re, I'm left with a root word of fresh. So double click on your question mark and you can type the word fresh. F-R-E-S-H. That's your root word. Go ahead and finish your root words and at the very end, turn it into your Google Classroom for your teacher.